Cobbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching Cobbiz. Today, the topic of our discussion is trade license. During the video, we will be telling you about what is a trade license, the categories of trade license, why trade license is important for you, the documents required if you are going to obtain a trade license. We will also be talking about the whole registration procedure that is needed and that is followed if you are going to obtain a trade license, and at last we will discuss about the renewal procedure of the trade license. So let's begin the video. A trade license is a certificate given in form of permission to an applicant or person who wants to open a business or a particular trade in a particular area, region or within the city. A trade license is issued on the basis of standards, safety guidelines and relevant law to see how the business is being done and also to protect the community within the state. Suppose if you are running a business within the community or within the state, then it's your responsibility so that from your business, the general public living over there should not be harmed. The state government monitors and issues the trade license to the business owner who is operating the business within the city, and the municipal authority, it's their duty to monitor and issues the trade license to the business owner who is running the business within the locality. Categories of trade license. Trade license is being divided and being issued on the basis of following categories. Industrial license. This license is applied by the business engaged in the manufacturing industries operating in small, medium and large scale. Shop license. This license is being issued in the business involved in carrying out the dangerous and harmful activities like the candle manufacture, cracker manufacture, etc. Food and shop establishment license. This license is obtained by the business engaged in the food business activities like hotel, restaurant, pub, club, dhaba, etc. Importance of trade license. If we talk about the importance of trade license, then trade license monitors the activity of the business running within the community. It also sees and monitors that there is no harm to the general public living in the community. A trade license also assures that the business owner should not carry out any unethical or illegal activity in the name of the business that is running within the community so that it could harm the general public living over the area. A trade license also ensures that the rules, regulation and the guidelines provided by the trade license should be followed by the trade license holder. Document required for registration. So if you are going for the registration of a trade license, then it also important for you to must know what are the documents that is being required for obtaining a trade license. In case the applicant is company, LLP or firm, COI, Memorandum of Association and Article of Association is required, PAN card of the company. An individual applicant must submit their Aadhaar and PAN, NOC from an immediate neighbor regarding no objection for carrying such trade or business, evidence of the latest municipality tax paid such as receipt, tax invoice, etc. Khata certificate and extract, plan layout of the section plan. Business for which trade license is being applied must be legally permitted like commercial, notified commercial, local commercial and the residential area with a small shop around 20 square meter on ground floor. Trade license can be obtained in two modes. One is online, another is offline. If we talk about the online mode, then the applicant has to fill the application form along with the details like the trade license detail, the name and address of the business and the type of license already issued. Once you have submitted all the information along with the document, then it's time to submit the registration fees. If you have submitted the registration fees, then you get a reference number on your mobile for the same, and after that your trade license is registered. Trade license renewal in India. Trade license is issued with the validity of 1 year by the municipal authority, and it should be renewed once the trade license is expired or is going to expire. It's basically the renewal period is from the 1st Jan to 31st March of every year, and for the renewal part you need to submit the following document. The renewal application is made 30 days before its expiry with the following documents: original copy of trade license issued, challan copy of the previous year, the property tax paid up to the date of renewal application. So this was enough for the trade license. I hope you like our video, and we'll connect soon with the new informative video that will guide you properly in future. If you are planning to have a trade license registration, then for trade license registration